The book of Micah is a powerful message from a prophet who lived during a time of great corruption and injustice in Israel and Judah. Micah spoke out against the leaders and wealthy landowners who were exploiting the poor, warning that God's judgment was coming because of their greed, idolatry, and injustice. He prophesied the destruction of Samaria and Jerusalem as a consequence of their sins. But Micah didn't stop at judgment. He also offered hope. He spoke of a future where God would restore a faithful remnant of his people, and a ruler would come from Bethlehem to bring peace and justice. This points to the coming of Jesus, who fulfills the promise of restoration. Micah emphasized that God desires not extravagant sacrifices, but true justice, mercy, and humility, urging people to live with integrity. Despite the bleak situation, Micah ends with a message of hope, celebrating God's compassion and faithfulness. He reminds us that God will forgive and restore, bringing us back to Himself in mercy and love.